let's start with ancient India and medium ancient India. Okay, we have covered Puranas and Puranas under Vedas, Aranyakas, Upanishads. We will talk about Jainism and Buddhism. Jainas, first Jainas, Mahavira, 24 Tirthankaras were coming in Jainism. The first is Mahavira, Vardhamana Mahavira. Okay, Jainis texts were three Ratnas were the Jainis texts. Last 23rd Peshwa Tirthankara, and 22 is Sarpa, and 24 is Vardhamana Mahavira. Okay, what are the teachers? Shweta in Jainism, two parts were there. One Shwetambaras and Digambaras. They wear Shwetambaras wear only white shirts, and Digambaras they do not wear any clothes. So they have number. Okay, and they believed who believed in Jainas were believed in to suffer journey to harm ourselves, our body, our thoughts. Then we will get what moksha in English. Moksha. Okay, I'll tell you later. Let's come with Buddhism. The great Buddha. His first name is Siddhartha, right? Siddhartha Rahula. He's a son. He is he lived in kingdom, well established kingdom. He don't have any he have everything, the kingdom, the palace, and the family, and father. He all these things he have, but he decided to leave home at which year? Something 29th year, right? Yeah. He leaves home and goes to find moksha, and he tries and he tried so many types to suffer on his body, and he came at some place to all the on his body, all the mass were ruined, and he has only bones. At that time, he decided to not harm body, and he tries different things to get moksha. He seated 7 days 7 days yoga meditation, and he gets moksha. And after his first teaching in Saranatha Lumbini, he get moksha at he get moksha at Lumbini Vana, Nepal. Lumbini, Bodha Gayatri, under Bodha Gayatri. Okay, next questions. About questions, he belongs to Magadha dynasty and Sankhya dynasty, and after the death of the Mahavira, Buddhism divided into two types: Mahayana and Mahayana and Hinayana. Hinayana is supported by Ashoka, and Mahayana is supported by Kanishka. Hinayana is spread in China, Thailand, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, and Singapore, like that. And Mahayana is spread in India. Buddhist councils were held four Buddhist, five Buddhist councils were held. First Buddhist council were held at Rajagriha, Pataliputra. The Moggalisa is Vasumitra, Rajagriha Vaisaliputra, Kala Ashoka, Rajagriha, Vaishali, Pataliputra, Kanishkapura, and Ashoka Kanauja. Second is Kala Ashoka, headed Vaishali. Okay. What happened? Tax. Just tax. And third Ashoka, Pataliputra. Fourth Harshavardhana. The first Kanishka, Kashmira, right? And head is that Vasumitra, Sabakami. Last Sabakami is first. Sabakami first, and last is Vasumitra. Okay. Fifth is Harshavardhana. At Kannauj. Gupta dynasty. Persian language is that Persian. Guptas were Persian, and Mauryas were Sanskrit and Prakrit. Now let's questions. Come with questions. And Kanish, Maurya dynasty. Maurya dynasty is formed with Chandragupta Maurya. His advisor is Kautilya, the great writer of Chanakya. His economics and Rajaniti and political guru, Chandragupta, and Chandragupta, Ashoka. Ashoka is daughter, Ashoka. Chandragupta Maurya's son's son is Ashoka, the great Ashoka. Kalinga war fought between Ashoka and Odisha Kalinga at when on 361 BCE. The Mauryan dynasty emerged with Dhanananda is Dhanananda Maurya dynasty. Okay. Ashoka's inscription were in Karnataka. Maski is biggest, and Raichur. His name were depicted in Maski Raichur, and his small inscription were Biligundlu and Koppala, Chitradurga, and Kanakanalli, Kalburgi. Let's with questions. Questions were asked about Ajanta, Ashoka, his sons, his sons. Ashoka make his two sons to preach Buddhism in out of India, like Sri Lanka, Thailand. These countries, Ashoka Kaluishida. Ashoka transferred his sons to preach Buddhism. Next, let it start. Okay. Ashoka. Next. Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta, second Chandragupta comes Swahayana, right? Swahayana, Ibn Battuta came some Muhammad bin Tughlaq time, and Genghis Khan attacks on Jalaluddin, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, but Iltutmish doesn't invite his spouse, on Alauddin Khilji and Chausa and Chaharamaddaga, Balban is Chumban, and the kingdom's people has to kiss his feet and his feet, his legs. Balban, Chaldani, 14 people, 14 persons. One mission is there that Razia Sultan came to rule in 1336, but at that peoples do not want that, do not like that, like the woman ruler in kingdom. So that's why the only one female who ruled over the Delhi Sultanate in Delhi Sultanate and middle days, Razia Sultan, 1336 to 1340. After comes Balban comes Balban, Iltutmish and Allah, Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi and Babar, first Panipat war fought between Babar and Ibrahim Lodi at 1556 at Panipat, Haryana, Panchkula. It is a battlefield surrounded. We became modern India, Madan Mohan Malaviya, Indian Association, Video Remarriage Association, and East India Association, Gadar Party, Lal Hardayal, Raj Bihari Bose, Hindustan Socialist Republic, Raj Bihari Bose, Barinder Kumar Ghosh, Sajan Sanyal, and Raj Bihari Bose, Gadar Party. Once again.